Hi students, my name is Ms. Boyd, and this is a brief overview on how you can access the Destiny Discover catalog to read some great ebooks this year. Well, the first thing you're going to do is log on to Clever using your unique username and password, and then you are going to go over to the left-hand panel of your page where you see my cursor, and you're going to click on Library and Resources. When you click on library resources, the wonderful thing about this is that all of the library apps shift up to the top of the page for easy use. The next thing we're going to look for is Follett or either Follett Destiny. This is where we're going to spend a lot of time today. So click on Follett Destiny. And what's going to happen is that the system is going to log you on automatically. If you do not log directly onto Follett Destiny and you land on this page, real simple, click on Catalog at the top of your page where you see the toolbar, and then you're going to go to the left panel where it says Destiny Discover. Once you do all of that, now you're directly in the Follett catalog. You'll see my name as well as my email address, so you can use it if you get stuck for whatever reasons. And remember, you can access these ebooks from home or from school, either or. You're going to scroll down the page and you're going to find ebooks, interactive books, audiobooks. Audiobooks is when a story is narrated to you. You're just listening. There's no words, there's no text on the page. You're just listening to the story being read to you. If you are into interactive books, that means that it's a little music and a sound effects that, really bring you into the story and make you feel like you're a part of the story. Then maybe interactive books are your option that you can use for reading. But maybe you just want to independently read an ebook quietly on your own. You can select ebooks. So you have 3 different options for ebook platforms that you can use. And it's all acceptable for you to enjoy reading every night for 30 minutes. Now, how can you view and see what books are in each catalog? If you go to the right-hand side of the page, you see where it says See All. Click the See All button. Once you click the See All button, now the entire catalog will open up and you can take a look and see what books are available. I always like to take my cursor and change the layout of the page, and you see the little box with the 4 boxes in it. I click on that and then everything kind of shifts and changes. All right. So what I'd like to do is go down the page and see what books are available. You will notice that some books are checked out and it'll have the out symbol and it's red. But then you'll have some books that are actually checked in and they are available for you to read. And you're going to see the little icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and it says in. Well, let's take a look at a couple of books that might be a choice book for you to read. Since everyone loves basketball so much, let's take a look at James Harden. We just double click on the James Harden book. Only thing you're going to do is you're going to check it out by clicking the checkout button. If you want to preview the book, you can click on Open Book and you can actually preview the book and see if it's something that you would like. Now, it's only a short preview, so it's for a couple of pages. But for the sake of this presentation, I'm going to show you what it would look like. So in order to read this book, you're going to click the right-hand side of the screen, and you're going to see a little blue arrow. Only thing you're going to do is click that arrow, and that's how you advance the pages of your book. Let's say you wanted to check out a book. This is Class Act by Jerry Craft. And you're going to click on that title. If you want to open the book and preview it, you can. If not, what you can do is you just go on and check it out. And you click on the checkout button. It's going to load and it tells us that the book can be checked out for 2 weeks. And if in the event you forget to turn this book in by the 28th of September, what will happen is that the system will automatically generate a return back to the collection. So now we're at the point we want to read our book. We open our book of our choice that we just checked out, and we're going to click the right side of the screen. Now, this part is a little tedious. It does take a little while for this entire book to open up because this is about a 250-page book. And once the book opens up, then you will be able to read your book. So what I always tell students is go to the right-hand side of the screen. You see the little blue arrow. This is how you advance the pages of your book so you can read your story. And you can read your book right online. And this is the same for our interactive books as well as our audio books. Now, especially when you're reading anime or either graphic novels, I always tell kids it might be to your advantage to change the settings, and you can go to display options and you can zoom in so that you can see the text a little easier. You can also change the color of the background. It's your choice of how you want to handle that. When you're done with a book, only thing you have to do is click on return, and the book is returned back to the collection. In the event you forget, it will automatically do that for you on the day it's due. So this is our ebook catalog under Destiny Discover. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me in the Library Media Center. Thanks for listening. Bye now.